Welcome to the future of education, where teaching meets technology at its finest. Are you tired of the endless piles of course materials and the daunting task of digitizing your curriculum? CodeKidz is proud to introduce the Revolutionary AI Course Builder, the ultimate tool for educators to create dynamic, interactive online courses with ease. With CodeKidz, you can import your existing course materials from PDFs, web URLs, or even start from scratch with just a few clicks. Craft each lesson with a variety of learning types: reading, video, coding, or engaging chat sessions. Set goals and customize the experience to fit your unique teaching style. Setting clear goals for your lessons is crucial, and with CodeKidz, it's as simple as having a conversation. Just chat with your AI assistant and tell it what you're aiming for. Whether it's mastering a specific topic, improving test scores, or enhancing critical thinking skills, the AI is here to help you define and achieve your objectives. Get a real-time preview of your lessons to ensure everything is just perfect before it goes live. With CodeKidz, changing a lesson type is as simple as a click. Watch as the reading lesson seamlessly transforms into a coding environment. Now, students can dive into coding directly within the course, applying what they've just learned in a practical, engaging way. The real-time code editor provides immediate feedback, making learning to code interactive and responsive. It's not just about reading concepts, it's about bringing them to life. Imagine the wealth of knowledge available at your fingertips. With CodeKidz, importing course content from the web is as simple as entering a URL. Seamlessly integrate video content into your course by linking to popular platforms like YouTube. Whether it's a captivating documentary for a history lesson, an experimental demonstration for a science class, or a TED Talk to inspire your students, enrich your course with just a few clicks. Prefer to create your own content? Our interactive chat guide is here to help. It walks you through the process, offering suggestions and even personalizing your course with your name and examples. Struggling with structuring your syllabus? The AI assistant is there to help you outline your course, suggesting modules and lessons that make sense for your subject matter. Whether you're teaching algebra or art history, our AI assistant ensures your course is not just comprehensive but also brimming with engaging and interactive elements that resonate with your teaching style and your students' learning preferences. Once you publish, your students will dive into an interactive learning journey like no other, accessible anytime, anywhere. Your course will only be visible to your own students, protecting your privacy and copyright. CodeKidz respects the hard work you put into your teaching materials. But why stop here? The CodeKidz AI Course Builder is a versatile powerhouse, capable of crafting courses across a spectrum of subjects. Create an immersive finance course with interactive charts and real-time market simulations that bring economic principles to life. Or build a comprehensive math curriculum with step-by-step problem-solving guides and engaging puzzles that make numbers fun. Even language learning becomes an adventure with our AI's natural voice interaction, helping students master pronunciation and conversational skills in any tongue. Transform the way you teach and inspire your students to reach new heights. Visit CodeKidz today and take the first step into a world of innovative learning.